John Entry. Here is Simba. And that's the opening goal. Dreams FC breaks the deadlock. On 24 minutes, it's Sylvester Simba who puts the Confederations Cup semi-finalists in the lead at the Theatre of Dreams against the struggling Asante Kotoko. It's Dreams 1, Kotoko 0, 25 minutes. This is how it all started. John Entry found Sylvester Simba. He turned around into Menu, and his effort took a deflection of Imano Kote, and Danla had little to do, completely beaten. That's a good 10 to begin with. Kote was trying to prevent the ball. Danla had stepped up his line, and the ball just went behind him. But he turned around into Menu effortlessly. Kote tried to give him one leg to protect the ball, but the moment the ball took the deflection, it was always rising above Danla, and Dreams are up courtesy Sylvester Simba.